Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now apologies straight away for the wind, it's very windy today and I'll make this as quick as possible. So we just had this Peugeot 208 dropped off. I told you about it. It's been bought for a friend, so it'll never be for sale, but I thought I'd just do a bit of content on it. It's a really nice one this. It's an Allure Premium 18 plate again, 1.2 petrol. So it's basically top of the spec range before you get to the GT line. It's got the pan roof, well literally like I said everything, but I'll run through all that with you and we'll have a good look around it. But what I want to do straight away is dive straight in, get this bottom arm changed, get this shaft built back up and put back in, and connect this drop link and basically get this car running and driving, because I need to get it off the truck and get it in the unit. So once we've got it in the unit, I'll then do a good walk around it and show you exactly what we've got and what it is. So let's get on. Sorry about the wind again. Let's get on with this and get this wheel sorted out. Now we've got the wheel off, we can see a little bit more. So like I said, all we've got down here is the end of the shaft has popped off. All seems to be here. The bearings, I'll try and get you into have a look. I can't see it properly, but it looks like it's all there. We've got the drop links just popped off, and the bottom arm has ripped out the bottom of the hub, and the bottom arm is bent, so we're going to straight away change the bottom arm. I've got that new over here, so that's going to be like that. So we'll swap that, we get that swapped straight over now, and we'll, like I said, temporary, get that shaft put back together and back in the gearbox. And we'll pop back on the drop link, and then hopefully then this car will run and drive. The shaft probably going to end up being changed, so it's probably got bent. Drop link will probably be changed as well, but this is just temporary, like I said, to get it off the truck and get it in the unit. Right, we've got all the old bits off. That's the old bottom arm. That's a nice decent bend in it, and the ball joint's ripped out, so that's our new one. Getting that ball joint out the bottom of the hub was a nightmare, a massive nightmare. I've got the shaft back in, and we'll put the drop link on when we drop it on the floor, because obviously the wheel's too low at the minute. So let's get this new arm in, and we'll be good to go. And there we go guys, probably one of the easiest bottom arms you'll ever change on any car. Absolute doddle. Nicely back in the centre. We'll throw this wheel on, and as we lower it, we'll try and pop this back on, but you know, it's no great deal if it won't go on, because like I said, it'll only be for a temporary anyway. But yeah, we'll give it a go. So I'll get the wheel back on now, get it on the floor, get it off the truck, and it should be a runner and a driver. Right then, that worked out really well. It runs and drives great, to be honest. And it's a very nice car, this one. I really like the colour. It's some kind of silver grey metallic. Very nice. And this is round this side. Now we've got the wheel straight. Looking a lot better. So yeah, good stuff. So running and driving with just the bottom arm, and if you looked at the picture when we got it, wheel bent right round. Obviously, like I said, we've got to do that drop link. Got to do possibly a shaft yet, but we won't know until get out on the road properly. But to be honest, I think the shaft's going to be fine. So yeah, what we got headlight, bumper, wing. Bonnet's not been touched at all, so bonnet's perfect. We've managed to maintain all the centre grills. So as you know with the other one, that's two pieces. You get your chrome outer on and then your middle grill. The lower central grill is fine, and obviously this side's fine. So what we need is that piece for that side and a new bumper skin. I'm not going to try and mess with this one. It's got some splits and some grooves, and you can get them for literally nothing, even brand new. This headlight's perfectly fine. This side, car's perfect. And even, you know, the wheel on that side, the damaged side, is fine. So yeah, this is a really nice spec car, this. Like I said, it's an Allure Premium. So they only did them in 2018. And like I said, it's the top of the range before you move on to the GT line. So you've got literally electric everything, power folding mirrors, heated. You've got the pan roof. You've got auto lights, auto wipers, and you've even got some ambient lighting. This strip there, I don't know if you can change the colour, but look at that. It's nice. I like a pan roof. In fact, I might as well leave it open. Oh, I've just pulled my side doing that. Oh. And yeah, this one's only got 7,750 miles on it. But like I said, this has been bought for a friend's son as his first car. So you won't see this for sale or anything like that. So it came with locking wheel nut key. Can't find any handbooks or anything, but I very much doubt it's even had a service yet. But what we could do is check the computer, because that will tell us, won't it? That's the wrong key. Got two keys here now. So like I say, it's the 1.2 this. So perfect for a first time car. Starts up fine. See, your auto lights are on. Power. So let's have a look. Menu, driving, diagnostics. So it says service in 11,750 miles. I don't know what the intervals are on these. What would that make? 7,750, 18,000. 18,500, wouldn't it? Is that service interval on one of these 18,500s? So it's probably not, well, it won't have even had its first service then yet, will it? Interesting. So this has got the reversing camera, open navigation, connect and compatible smartphone. So yeah, it's still the same with the smartphone. I just wanted to check that. But if we if I put it into reverse, got reversing camera, reversing sensors. So yeah, cracking car this. You know, people dog these Peugeots, and in reality, you know, I personally wouldn't own one, you know, over 4 or 5 year old. But you know, these 2018s, I've picked up 2 now, and literally no miles, not even 2 year old yet, and we're going to be looking at both of them finished for under £5,000. So I don't think you can complain with that kind of value. So it's a nice looking car. You'd give £5 for this, wouldn't you? As a you know, perfectly finished car, all day long. Like I said, not even 2 year old. But yeah, as I said before, I don't think I'd want to own one but like 60-70,000 miles and, you know, 5-6 year old. But like I said, first time person's car, under £5 for a 2 year old with 7,000 miles on, finished. I think it's a pretty damn good value with this kind of spec, and I know the lad's really happy with it anyway. So I don't know what I'm going to show in terms of footage on this. I might just do a bit of a one-off complete rebuild in one video kind of thing, if you know what I mean. I don't know, we'll see, because you've just seen one get done, haven't you? We've literally just done one, or we're literally just finishing one. So you don't want to see the same old. And we've got, you know, even though I complain like hell about the dashboard, I've got to do another one. Yes. But anyway, that is for another day. So I'll just show you quickly as well. The bumper is finished and ready for the other car. And like I said, we went with the colour-coded centre trim. And I think it looks pretty good, to be honest. This needs to be stuck in there, so I'll just place it in there. I think that looks quite smart, colour-coded. But yeah, whatever, it is what it is. Like I said, I'd ordered it by accident, and that's how it's going. So that'll be going on the car soon, and you'll see that in a video. But I think for now, well, for the end of it, that's going to be it for this video, put it that way. That's what I'm trying to say. That's going to be it for this video. So Lewis, I'm sure you're going to see this. I hope you're happy. I'll soon get it fixed up for you, and it'll be ready for you for when you turn 17. Great little car. So there we go, guys, end of this video. But like I said before, you saw the condition of the front end of this car and that wheel, and you know, that would put a hell of a lot of people off. And what have we done? We've replaced the lower arm. That is it. And probably the easiest lower arm I've ever changed, ever. And we've got a run and drive car. So just goes to show they look far worse than they actually are when they've got a wheel out of place. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like these videos, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.